I've just hauled in beautiful Sandra, who have just been on our meditation day. What did you think of our meditation?
Oh, I really enjoyed it. Oh. It was lovely. No, it's the first one I've done and I really enjoyed it.
Good.
Yeah.
What did you enjoy? Did you enjoy the Pilates?
I enjoyed all of it.
Okay.
Including the food at the end. It was really nice.
I'm supposed to break it down.
Sorry. Yeah. No. I enjoyed the Pilates. Yeah.
Good.
Yes, yeah.
And you liked the food. And what did you think of the venue?
Very nice. Yeah.
Good.
I liked it. Yeah.
Good. And the people that you were on?
Yes, they're all very friendly. We sort of chatted to each other, so that was nice.
Good.
As well.
And I thought it was really interesting because of the age range.
Yes.
We had some real young uns in the class as well.
Yeah, and old ones.
Yeah. Did it work? Did it work for you?
Yes, yeah,
Did you feel
it was
comfortable?
fine. No, I don't worry about it. I enjoyed it.
Good.
I've been doing it for long enough.
Yeah, you have, and you're comfortable.
Yes.
And what I love about you, Sandra, is you do your own thing. If you're not comfortable with one of the moves, you adapt it, and you've got the confidence to do that.
Yeah.
And that's really important. A lot of people need to recognise that. You can't keep pushing at level one.
No. Well, I've been doing it for long enough, so
yeah, brilliant.
Done that, so, no.
Excellent. Well,
thank you. I've enjoyed it.
And we're going to Spain together as well.
We are. Yes,
so
and I'm really looking forward to it.
So am I. So, in terms of Spain, do you think that today was a good preparation? Because you got to meet Katie, you got to try the food and things like that. Was it a good introduction?
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
To the way that the day is going to be held.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. I think I'm going to be zonked out by the end of the day.
Yeah, we will.
But it was really nice. No,
Good.
it's a nice feeling.
Fantastic. Thank you for sharing that with me.
That's all right. Yeah.
Take care.